Top 5 Best Bicycle Bell Reviews. Top 5. Knog Bell Aluminium Bike Bell. Easy mounting. Mount opens over the handlebar, so there's no need to slide it on. Tightens with a single hex screw. Premium materials. CNC machine. 7075 aircraft grade aluminum ringer and a strong, high tensile stainless steel spring is corrosion resistant. Top 4. BONMIXC Bike Bell Brass Mini. Sound. The bike bell is made from brass, bring us a clear, sweet, loud sound. For bike type, fits for any standard straight bicycle or stunt scooter handlebar, MTB bike, BMX bike, etc.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 3. LYCAON Bicycle Bell 8 Colors Mini Aluminum Alloy Bike Bell. Loud, crisp, clear sound. Bike ring horn. Anti-rust aluminum alloy cover and ultra-tough plastic base provides long service life. Combined with internal rotated collision sounding system, the bike bell can send out loud, long, crisp silvery sound. Top 2. Mirrycle Incredibell Original Bicycle Bell. Compact and loud enough to be heard when coming from behind. Adjustable bell mounts to most handlebars. Top 1. Mirrycle Incredibell Adjustable Bike Bell. The strap fits bars with diameters from 15 mm to 39 mm. Dome diameter 34 mm, 1.35 inches.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.